So here we have a Bryston 2BLP amp. Just took the top off to do a little maintenance. I just got this guy about a week ago. Just doing a little cleaning and whatnot. It's hooked up to a PS Audio Direct Stream DAC. One of the best DACs currently made, as far as I've heard anyway. Pretty good. Got it hooked up to my 805 barrel Wilkins. For now, I'm just burning it in. It's been plugged into my much bigger 802 barrel Wilkins towers, and they sound amazing there, this DAC. And the Bryston I've been using has been a 7BST. They sounded so good that I decided to get this 2BLP for my smaller speakers for my office setup. But I took off the top, and here you can see what it's made of. It's almost like two mono blocks in one. You got your left side here, your right side here, and your two powers here. And this is a XLR only connection. No RCA or unbalanced connections back here. That's all you got. It sounds exactly like any Bryston would. Very transparent, very clinical, as I've heard some people say. One of the interesting things about this amp that is not common is got a little preamp built in, so I can change the volume. I can switch the volume up and down on the right channel and left channel right here. This guy in particular, when I got him, these rods here were rusty, so you can see here. I took them out recently and just gave them a good cleaning. They're nice and shiny now. And let's show you here how they turn. And all you have to do is unscrew these screws right here. The one screw in the front, not the back. Just unscrew the one screw in the front and the one screw back here in the back, and you can slide the rod right out. I just gave it a good cleaning. However, I had to reopen it back up because I didn't screw the one rod in hard enough, so it's once it gets to the point, it just keeps spinning. Anyway, great sounding little amp. It's rated at 60 watts per channel in stereo, and I forgot what the measurement was. I think it was 250 watts in mono, if you decide to switch it over to mono. But right now it's running 60 watts per channel. These speakers are rated at 120 watts, but it's plenty of power for these guys. It does get very hot. Right here, the heat sinks get very hot. That's something that a lot of Brystons do. I've had this unit running for about 2 weeks right now or so, just because I'm burning in this DAC. If you're wondering why it's sitting right on top of the DAC, it's just because I'm trying to create more heat. Underneath, it's very hot. Over top, when the top is on, it's pretty cool. But underneath this thing, it's extremely hot. I mean, it's not going to burn you, but you know, it's uncomfortably hot. Some of you may disagree with this method, but this is something I read right from the PS Audio website. It's okay if you heat up the unit a little bit more than you conventionally do for the burn-in period. I've had the PS Audio DAC burning in for quite a bit now. It's definitely changing sound as we go along, so it's a little bit of a project. Anyway, I hope this is useful to somebody out there for your research, so you can see how this all works and how it looks inside. All right, see you guys on the next one.